I am an expert swordsman. And I am skilled in the business of death. I take no pleasure in my skill. Simply, I am good at it. Everything is permitted, nothing is true. Listen, do you really expect me to believe that God lives beneath the Vatican? Our creed does not command us to be free. It commands us to be wise. We see the world as it really is, and hope that one day all mankind might see the same. The world is an illusion. One we can either submit to, as most do, or transcend. To say that nothing is true, is to realize that the foundations of society are fragile, and that we must be the shepherds of our own civilization. It is a good life we lead, brother. It is not our right to punish one for thinking as he does, no matter how much we disagree. We work in the dark, to serve the light. We are assassins. For at my side walks hope. In the face of all that insists I turn back, I carry on. This is my compromise. Only a mind free of impediment is capable of grasping the chaotic beauty of the world. This is our greatest asset. Self-expression is a vital part of understanding life, and enjoying it to the full. To say that everything is permitted, is to understand that we are the architects of our actions, and that we must live with their consequences, whether glorious or tragic. Compromise. That's what everyone has insisted on. And so I have learned it. But differently than most, I think. You're wrong. And that's why you must be put to rest. Learning is knowledge and knowledge is freedom and power. He knew that. He had forgotten that, somehow. But he knew it once more. A warning to you both, choose to follow me or oppose me and I will kill you. It is too late for me to feel paternal now. Whatever inside me that might once have been capable of nurturing my child had long since been corrupted or burned away. Years of betrayal and slaughter have seen to that. We are what we choose to be.